हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आपका निरंकारी वीडियो चैनल में स्वागत है। इस वीडियो लिंक में हम लोग लॉज ऑफ मोशन के बारे में देखेंगे। हमारा चैप्टर है लॉज ऑफ मोशन और इस चैप्टर में हम लोग फर्स्ट जो हेडिंग देखेंगे वो है फोर्स। फोर्स may be defined as an agency force may be defined as an agency, a push or a pull, a push or a pull which changes or tends to change, which changes or tends to change the state of rest or uniform motion, the state of rest or uniform motion or the direction of motion of body, or the direction of motion of body। यानी कि बल वो बाहरी कारक है जो किसी वस्तु की स्थिति की अवस्था या उसकी एक समान गति की अवस्था में बदलाव कर देता है या वस्तु की गति की दिशा की स्थिति में बदलाव कर देता है। अब हम लोग देखेंगे इफेक्ट्स प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय ए फोर्स। इफेक्ट्स प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय ए फोर्स। Force can change speed of an object. Force can change speed of an object, making it to move slower or faster. Making it to move slower or faster. A force exerted by brakes. A force exerted by a brake slows or stops a moving train. Slows or stops a moving train. Force can change the direction of motion of an object. Force can change the direction of motion of an object. The force exerted on steering wheel of the force exerted on steering wheel of A car change the direction of motion. Number third, force can change the shape of an object. Force can change the shape of an object. Force is a polar vector. Force is a polar vector. It has a point of application. It has a point of application. Force can be positive and negative. Force can be classified as a positive or negative. A positive force represents repulsion. Positive force represents repulsion. That is between two like charges. And a negative force represents a negative force represents attraction. That is between two unlike charges. Aristotelian law of motion. Aristotelian law of motion. The Greek philosopher Aristotle. The Greek philosopher Aristotle asserted that a natural state of body asserted that a natural state of body is the state of rest. Is the state of rest. Every body in motion tends to slow down. Every body in motion tends to slow down and comes to rest. An external force is necessary to maintain. An external force is necessary to maintain its motion. For example, a cart on a road has to be constantly pushed to keep it in motion. A single push will not take it far. From such observation, Arastu concluded the following law. According to Aristotelian law of motion, according to Aristotelian law of motion, an external force is necessary. An external force is necessary to keep a body moving with uniform velocity. Next we will describe about the law of inertia. The law of inertia. The law of inertia. Galileo's experiment on the motion of object. Galileo's experiment on the motion of an object. Objects were with constant speed. Objects were with constant speed when no external forces act on them. When no external forces acts on them, he arrived at this revolutionary conclusion. He arrived at this revolutionary conclusion on the basis of following simple experiment. On the basis of following simple experiment. Galileo observed that when an object moves down, an inclined plane, its speed increases. When the object is moved up inclined plane, when the object move on an inclined plane, its speed decreases. Its speed decreases. Galileo therefore concluded that that on a horizontal plane, an object should move with a constant velocity in a straight line path. गैलीलियो ने ये ऑब्जर्व किया कि यदि एक तिरछे प्लेन पे कोई वस्तु ऊपर की तरफ गति कर रही है तो इसकी स्पीड क्या करेगी, घटेगी। और एक इंक्लाइंड प्लेन पे, एक तिरछे प्लेन पे कोई वस्तु नीचे की तरफ गति कर रही है तो इसकी वेलोसिटी बढ़ेगी। इसके आधार पे गैलीलियो ने एक रूल दिया कि यदि कोई वस्तु एक हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन पे क्या कर रही है, चल रही है, तो इसकी गति सीधी रेखा में एक समान बनी रहेगी। From the above series of experiments, Galileo formulated the law of motion. Galileo formulated the law of motion as follows. Number first, a body moving with a certain speed, a body moving with a certain speed along a straight path, will continue to move with some speed, along the same straight path, in the absence of external forces. Now we will describe about inertia and its different types: inertia and its different types. Inertia is the inherent property of a material body. Is the inherent property of material body by virtue of which it cannot change by itself. It cannot change by itself. Its state of rest or of its state of rest or state of uniform motion in a fixed direction. This property is called inertia. This property is called inertia. यानी इनर्शिया या जड़त्व किसी भी बॉडी की वो प्रॉपर्टी है जिसमें कोई भी वस्तु अपने आप अपनी स्थिति की अवस्था या गति की अवस्था या वस्तु की गति की दिशा में बदलाव नहीं कर सकती, यानी अपनी पूर्वावस्था को मेंटेन रखने का प्रयास करती है. द टर्म इनर्शिया मीन्स resistance to change. Resistance to change. So friends, in my next video link I will describe about different types of inertia, the inertia of rest and inertia of rest का example, second inertia of motion and example, and inertia of डायरेक्शन के बारे में हम लोग चर्चा करेंगे. दोस्तों, आप हमारे अगले वीडियो लिंक की प्रतीक्षा करें और मेरे वीडियो लिंक को अपने फ्रेंड सर्किल में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें, लाइक करें और सब्सक्राइब करें. अगर मेरा कंटेंट आपके अकॉर्डिंग, जो आपका एम है हाउ टू प्रिपेयर फॉर नीट फॉर 2 ईयर प्रोग्राम, तो दोस्तों आप हमारे अगले वीडियो लिंक की प्रतीक्षा कीजिए. धन्यवाद.